Smartscope M5 ES1 is a handheld digital camera that enables examining the eye surface and surrounding areas and documenting patient data through digital images and video. First, let's go through the basic use and settings of the device. Power on and off the device by pressing the left soft key. Attach the ES1 optics module by pressing it firmly into place until you hear a click. To detach the module, slide the release button. Image settings. Capture mode. Still or video capture mode is selected in the ES menu. To activate the menu, press and hold the right soft key. An icon in the top left corner of the screen indicates the selected mode. Illumination mode. The camera has two light sources, white and cobalt blue LED lights. Select the light source by pressing the left soft key. An icon, blue or white, will indicate the selection. Cobalt blue light enables the taking of fluorescent pictures of the eye surface. The level of illumination is adjusted by pressing the left and right arrow keys. There are altogether 10 brightness levels with a default level of 5. Focus mode. Focus mode can be switched by short pressing the right soft key. The icon on the screen indicates the selection. M for manual focus, A for autofocus, and Z for zoom. There are 4 zoom levels: 1 times resolution, 2, 4, and 6 times resolution. You can zoom in and out by pressing the arrow keys up and down. An icon on the left side of the screen will indicate the zoom level. We will now look at some of the other menu options. Shoot mode. With autofocus, there are 2 shoot modes that you can choose from in the ES menu, normal and auto. With the normal shoot mode, the shutter button operates like a standard digital camera with a stepped trigger. Pressing the button halfway down focuses the image, and the image is taken when the button is pressed all the way down. With the autofocus, you will only need to press the shutter button halfway down and the camera will automatically focus and take the image. Focus window. The focus window feature helps the user find the right focus target in the image. You can enable or disable the focus window in the ES menu. The focus window can also be activated by pressing the middle key until the icon F appears on the screen. Move the red focus window box by using the arrow keys. Zoom cropping. When zoom cropping is enabled, the camera will save the zoomed area instead of the entire image area. By default, the zoom cropping is turned off. When activated, the camera will only save the area that is visible on the camera screen when the user has zoomed in, rather than the entire area image. Mark side. After each image, it is possible to mark which eye has been examined. Marking side is enabled from the ES menu. Next, we will go through the steps to ensure an optimal image quality during an anterior eye segment examination. To ensure the camera is stable for the image, it is recommended that both the patient and examiner are seated during the exam. Select the preferred focus menu by pressing the right soft key. It is recommended to use autofocus. Choose the light source by pressing the left soft key. Turn the light on by pressing the shutter button halfway down. Hold the camera with one hand and support the optics module with the other, keeping the outer side of the hand against the patient's forehead. Place the optics module on the patient's eye. Depending on the patient's facial bone structure, use different angles to find the optimal viewing position. The patient can be asked to look at different directions depending on what area of the eye needs to be captured. Adjust illumination using the left and right arrow keys. Be careful not to overexpose the image. If needed, Activate zoom by pressing the right soft key twice. Use the arrow keys up and down to adjust the zoom level. Capture the image by pressing the shutter button. In order to ensure good quality of examination, it is recommended to take multiple images. If multiple patients are examined during one setting, you can create a new file folder for each patient by pressing and holding the middle key. If you want to preview thumbnail images, go to the device menu and select Preview Images. The most recent image will be on the top of the screen. Images are uploaded to a computer by placing the camera in the cradle. Image transfer works through USB connection in a similar way as any other digital camera. If you need support or have any questions or concerns regarding the usage of your device, please contact our customer service at service@optomed.com. Thank you.